Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to cover more questions. Today is June 4th. The first question we have, show why x minus 2 is a factor of m of x. Justify your answer. If you remember Remender's theorem, we mentioned that if x minus 3 is factor, so when you plug in x equal, solve this one, so it's x equal what? Yes, 3 or negative 3, positive 3. Okay? So if you look to the question, when x equals 3, if it factor, so m of x must equal 0. So how we justify this answer? So we have to plug in x equals 3 here, and we have to find m of x, and it must be equal 0. So if you plug in 3, so 3 power 3 minus 3 power 2 minus 5 times 3 minus 3. So you have 3 power 3, 27, minus 9, minus 15, and then minus what? 3. Okay? 27, and then negative 9, negative 15 is negative what? 24, minus 3 is negative 27, so 27 minus 27 is what? Yes, 0. So now we can see that x minus 3 is a factor. If it's not factor, and you have remainder, so your remainder should be here, not equal 0. Another number, okay? This is remainder theorem. You can use synthetic division, you can use long division, but factor theorem, as we mentioned before, I think we cover it in March, in our at beginning of March or end of February. So we are going to use the factor theorem. Second question we have, determine of which polynomial x plus 3 is a factor and explain your answer. And again, it's the same idea. So what are we looking for? We are going to plug in what? X equal negative 2 in each equation. And then when you plug in x minus 2, the answer must be equal what? 0. And check which one is equal to 0. Determine for which polynomial is x plus 2 is a factor. Explain your answer. So you are going to mention that we have to substitute for x equal negative 2, and if p of x equal 0 after plugging x equal negative 2, so it's what? It's factor for it. If not, so it's not factor. And plug in and find your answer, and mention that which one is factor. It's factor for what? B of x or q of x. So I'm going to leave this question for you because it's easy. X equal negative 2, plug in negative 2 here for b of x. So negative 2 power 4 minus 3 times negative 2 power 3 minus 16 times negative 2 minus 12, and find it and then mention which one is factor. If it equals 0, so it's factor for it. Okay? Now we're done with our question we want to cover, and we have no more question. Next week, as you know, we will have we will start our test for end of year assessment. So next week we don't have any assignment, and we will have a test. And I will in June 11, I think. I'm going to send the schedule, and the test will be open only for limited hours. So please try to do it in time. Have a great day and see you next time.